What's up, y'all? I'm Aviana Zirin, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a walk-around tour of the new 2024 Sea-Doo GTX 300. If you've been watching the channel, you know that the GTX Limited 300 is one of my favorite models on the Sea-Doo lineup. It's considered to give a 5-star ride and is the luxury model for Sea-Doo. The GTX Limited 300 is the standard for high-end touring performance. But don't let that luxury part fool you. You still get the 1630 ACE Rotax engine with 300 horsepower and supercharged with external intercooler. For 2024, it comes in two different color options, Blue Abyss or the new premium White Pearl. And let me tell you, the White Pearl is even prettier in person. Okay, now let's jump in the driver's seat on the GTX. When sitting in the driver's seat, right in front of you, you will see the glove box. This has a storage capacity of 0.8 gallon, a place to put a camera or even sunglasses. This glove box also contains a waterproof, shockproof storage compartment for your phone. And because it's the luxury model, the USB port is also included, so no more worries about your phone battery dying while having a blast on the water. Now let's move up the steering column. This is where you will find the desk ball and socket design to connect your key. It has an anti-theft technology. The key communicates with the vehicle wirelessly, so the vehicle starts when the key code matches the vehicle. Now let's move up the handlebar. This is where you'll see the Sea-Doo engraved cushion right in the center. And to the left, this is where you will find the red start and stop button. Below is a keypad where you can control the VTS, mode, IDF, and cruise control. VTS stands for Variable Trim System. This allows you to vertically adjust the position of your jet pump nozzle. You make the adjustments depending on water conditions. This helps balance out the Sea-Doo if riding with passengers or carrying heavy gear on the rear platform. The mode button is where you will find the ITC, which consists of 4 modes you can select from: Eco mode, Speed regulator mode, Sport mode, and Slow mode. This button is for cruise control. This is used for cruising at higher speeds. And no, unfortunately, the Sea-Doo will not drive on its own. You will still need to have your finger on the throttle, but it does help with finger throttle fatigue by setting your top speed and allowing you to pull in the throttle all the way when going on those long touring rides. Last button in the center is the IDF. This is for the Intelligent Debris-Free Pump System. This system allows you to unclog the watercraft intake in seconds without ever having to leave your seat. Simply push this button and follow the easy directions on the display screen. Here's a quick clip from Sea-Doo that shows you how to use it.
Here's how it works. In the event of a clogged pump system, stop the engine in the safest area possible and press and hold the IDF button located on the left handlebar keypad. The display will then read engaging. During this first step, the drive shaft is disengaged from the forward position and into reverse using a simple set of gears. Once in reverse, the rider restarts engine and is prompted to apply throttle. As the throttle is held for roughly 12 seconds, the impeller will run in reverse, creating a flow of water in the opposite direction and ejecting any stuck debris. In the final step, the engine will then shut down automatically, and the display will again read engaging. The drive shaft will be re-engaged into the forward position and the engine may be restarted. The rider is now ready to continue their journey.
This is just another feature that is included on the GTX Limited 300, adding to the bells and whistle of this luxury model. On the left side of the handlebar, you will also find the lever that controls the IVR, which is the intelligent brake and reverse lever. Now let's move over to the right side of the handlebar. This is where you'll find another keypad that allows you to make selections on the display screen. Examples, display settings, music control, or even your phone while riding. And on the other side of the right handlebar is the throttle lever for acceleration. Now let's move to the display screen. The GTX Limited 300 comes with a large panoramic 7.8-inch wide LCD display. Not only does the GTX Limited 300 come stock with this full color display that gives you incredible visibility, it also comes with the fully integrated BRP Bluetooth USB, and smartphone app integration, which provides music, weather, navigation, and more. Now let's take a look at one of the most popular things about the ST3 platform, the storage capacity. What makes it so popular is the location of the front bin. I love how it's right in front of you and you don't have to get out of your seat or reach over the steering column. The front bin has a capacity of 25.3 gallons, giving you enough space for you to take all your gear for those long rides. You can also use the standard link attachment points to add accessories to help you keep organized in this large cargo space. In this front bin storage area, this is also where you can find the designated spot with straps to secure a fire extinguisher and safety kit. While the front bin is lifted and open, this is where you will find the fuel cap. It has a fuel capacity of 18.5 gallons, making it enough fuel for you to have more fun on the water. Not to mention easy access location to fill up while on the water. The GTX Limited 300 comes with a comfort and versatility ergo-lock seat. The stepped seat design is narrow at the front for a natural riding position and wider towards the rear for maximum comfort, which allows for 3 riders. The rear portion can be removed for more lounge space or even sunbathing. At the rear of the Watercraft, this is where you'll find the jet pump nozzle, the IBR bucket, and the boarding ladder. The boarding ladder makes it easier for you or your passengers to get on, which comes stock with the GTX Limited 300. This is the rear cleat. It's a hybrid cleat that allows you to easily attach towable water sports toys or dock lines. Now let me show you another popular feature on the Sea-Doo line, which is the large swim platform. This gives you enhanced stability and more comfort. It has an integrated link system so you can easily attach accessories so you can elevate your experience. You can also add a multi-cargo rack if you would like to bring up to 3 accessories at one time. Here's me showing you how easy it is to attach and detach right there with the link system mounts. All you have to do is just slide it in, make sure the other side is in, and then lock it in place on the side. To sum it all up, what makes this GTX a limited is the limited package, which includes USB port, watercraft cover, storage bin organizer, exclusive color, BRP audio premium system, IDF, and a full color 7.8-inch wide display. And of course I can't forget my favorite part, which is the ST3 hole. It kills it when it comes to stability and high performance offshore. Alright y'all, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment it down below. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to put a link right above here so you can check out all the 2024 models. But until next time, see you guys on the water.